Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can delete your Gmail account on your smartphone. Let's get started. First, you want to open up your profile, log in, and hit Manage Account. Scroll over to Data Privacy. And you can scroll all the way down here. You want to hit Delete Google Service. Wait for that to load. Hit that trash bin next to delete your Gmail account, and you can choose another email address that you can use to receive a verification code. Get that added real quick. We're using a new Tuta mail account, which we created. This will send us a verification code. We go ahead and we can confirm that. Click it in the email. Wait for that to go back. Now we confirm that we want to delete our Gmail account. Go ahead, hit that checkbox, click Delete Gmail, and you are done. You've deleted your Gmail account. Thanks for watching.